Yo, guys, this is some weird looking watermelon.
You stupid. Bro, don't you read the name right there? It says
What?
pineapple.
Pineapple?
I did. I honestly
You meant
did.
that.
No.
You meant that.
No, I didn't.
Guys, I'm at a party and oh my god, I'm so dumb. I literally locked myself out my car, bro. I'm down bad, bro. Look. And I don't. You guys can't really see it because of the glare, but look, the keys are right there, bro. Right there, bro. Oh my god. I'm literally down bad for this, bro. How am I gonna get home? I'm literally on the way to tell my sisters right now. Bruh, I literally locked the car, bruh.
What do you want me to do? Bro, what you want to do? What you want me to do? Dollar Tree to go get blankets and sleep behind my car? We can walk. It's an hour.
No, let's go check it out. Come on, let's go check.
Okay, let's go. I guess.
It's locked, bruh. It's locked. Look.
Bro, well, you're sleeping outside.
I've literally been calling mom and dad for the longest. None of them answered.
Don't you see the time? Oh my god, they sleeping.
Oh, we can ask the cop. We can ask the cop right there to give us a ride.
No, you're stupid.
So we're partying now? We got tired and we just got tacos instead, bro. How y'all feel? Alright guys, now we're eating. Jeez. The rest of the video was recorded on my trash ass phone.
Bitch, they bought me a new one.
Damn, what?
Anyways, roll that clip.
Girls, good news. I also got off the phone with moms and she's on her way. So what y'all think? Pretty good day or no?
Yeah, I think it was a pretty good day. It was a pretty good day. So you fucking up. Boy, ain't no
Look
way,
at cost. Oh my god, you can be a toilet.
boy. Ain't no way, boy.
There you go. You go, boy, you use toilet water, dirty water, ugly water. All right, guys. So we're right now at a opening Chick-fil-A, bro.
Alex likes men.
What? What are you gonna get? What are you gonna get when we get there?
These.
Let's dedicate this business. And I know he's already sort of prayed a little bit on that, but y'all.
Oh hell no! Get up there, Joe! Oh hell no!
He called you short.
L height.
And that kid's an L.
Son, why you cheek, boy? What you do to Steve? Round two. Come on. Jump in. Damn. You good, bro? You good?
Sorry, bro. I'm sorry, bro. You still buy me 3 BTS albums. I had to do it.
The dog gay.
Wait, what y'all said that was in that piñata?
There's money, bro.
There's money in a piñata?
But there's only one Ziploc, like
One Ziploc bag? Yeah?
I'm gonna have to hit with these little kids.
What? Eric, bro, you finna go hit them little kids?
I'm about to take it out of little kids' hands. Bro. Oh, hey.
Oh, hey, no. What is that? What is that? What'd you say she thought it was?
She thought it was an anime movie.
This guy again? Hold on. Ah, damn. Where's the little bag? Where the bag at? What is this guy doing? Where the cash at? Then they lied. They lied. You're lying. There's no way. Now let me see. I don't want to touch it. Damn. He finessed y'all.
Throw it in the air.
What?
That's the point. I got this.
Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of
On Lauren Sense, I'm gonna make this shot over your head. Ready? You ready though? Alright, check it out.